What does he have underneath it?
He has sand underneath it to level it, and then a solid piece of steel hollowed out with a 1 pound of gunpowder to launch it 150 feet in the air.
Really? Wow. We're going to launch an Anvil 100.
It'll be a while. It takes about 30 seconds for the fuse to get in. Where did it go? That's what went down.
What'd you guys think?
That was pretty cool, I thought.
Did you see it disappear into the ground?
Well, I want to see how deep it went in. Really loud.
That's what she said.
Too loud. Happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
That's your aunt.
She's no average aunt. And there it is.
There we go.
Completely buried into the ground.
Did it go better than you thought, Jeff?
I need to look real quick here.
Only fell 5 feet from where it launched.
Isn't that something? Only you. Only you. My goodness, look how far that's down in the ground.
No, well, see, I didn't have a. That plate is pushed down in the ground probably in 2 inches.
Where's that?
So if I had dug down to hard dirt first and then packed it down, which is what you usually do for competition, so we get a good solid base, it would go higher and stuff.
But I mean, it landed pretty darn close. That's about as close as you can get.
No.
Really?
No, in competition, you know, that's a long ways. You know, you're talking 2 feet. Dropping it within 2 feet.
I thought it looked like it was coming my way.
That's what they do in competition. Yeah, it's the height minus 3 times the distance that it lands away from the thing. So you got to get high and you got to get close.
Have a long time on your hands.
It went clear down. Look through my arm. See how far it went down in the ground?
Is it the weight of the anvil, Jeff, that makes it go into the ground, or the?
Well, that speeds up. The higher it goes, the faster it's going to be.
So who's digging that out?
He got his shovel. He got the shovel.